Hello guys, it's good to see you all in another tutorial video. Today we'll be learning how to use the Section Zoom and the Morph transition to make this beautiful presentation. These are the fonts and the images which I'll be using for this presentation. In order to create these images, I'll be using Canva. Let's see how to do that. Open Canva. Now set the color of the background to black and then insert the image that you want. Then remove its background. Once it's done, click the Edit button and go to Adjust tab, and make the changes that you see on the screen. Select the transparent background option and then download it. In PowerPoint, change the background color to black and then insert the image that you want in the background. After doing that, go to Artistic Effects option and choose the Blur effect. Then set the transparency to 60. Next, let us create our first text box. Type "This is" in the text box and change its font and size. We need the letters to appear one by one, right? So we'll use this text box as our guide. To do that, we'll go to Text options and select No Fill and click on Solid Line. Now we need to create individual text boxes for each of the letter, and we must place it exactly inside our hollow text. Once you've done that, delete the hollow text box. Let us create animations for the other text boxes. Select it and go to Animations. Choose Fade Animation and set the duration to 0.10 seconds. Choose with Previous for our first text box and After Previous for the remaining text box. Now, let us add an exit animation. Go to Animation tab and select Add Animation and choose the Fade Animation. Now hide those text boxes. Create another text box and type Peter's Mystical Kingdom there. Change the font and size for the text. Align it to the center of the page. Next, let us set the animations. We'll be using Fade Animation for both the entry and the exit animation. Just slightly increase the duration for the entry animation. We will add some clouds for some added effects. I got this PNG from the web. After pasting your image, adjust its transparency and create duplicates of it to make a group of clouds. Group all the clouds together. Now, duplicate the grouped clouds and move it to the bottom. Duplicate this slide. And in the new slide, move the clouds to the outside of our slide. Then, delete all the text boxes. After that, hold Ctrl and drag the picture to expand it. Next, we need to create the text boxes for this page. Once you've added your text, copy-paste it to our first slide. Then, move those text boxes to outside of our slide. Now, go to the second slide and choose the Morph transition. It looks cool, right? Next, duplicate the second slide, resize our text box and change its position. Also, slightly compress our background image. Now we'll be creating sections to do the Section Zoom effect. Create a new section and let us name it as the Wizard Order. Insert the wizard image that we created using Canva. Increase its size slightly and position it to the center of our slide. Go to Shapes and create a circle shape. In Shapes options, choose No Fill and click on Solid Line option. Change the color of the line to white and increase its width to 3. Change the dash type to long dash. Now duplicate this slide. Increase the size of the circle like I did. After doing that, increase the size of our wizard and move it to either side of our slide. Then add your content. In our wizard section, after adding your contents, go to the first slide and in the far right side of our Transitions tab, there'll be a section named as Advanced Slide. In that, click After and enter 0.01 seconds. Choose Morph Transition for the second slide. You'll get this beautiful effect. Prepare new sections for the other orders also. I'll skip that part. We will move to the final step. Go to our third slide and in Insert tab, choose Zoom and select Section Zoom. Select our Wizard section. Then in Zoom tab, choose Zoom Background. Now change the size and position it wherever you want. Follow the same steps to insert the other sections also. Once you've finished inserting all the sections, you're done. Click F5 and watch the beautiful presentation that you've created. I believe that from this video, you got an idea of how Section Zoom and Morph Transition works. If this video was helpful for you, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. And let me know in the comments if you were able to recreate this presentation or not.